It's all ogre now.
Shrek, please, I can't run! If you see where it says more head down the bottom.
Oh, fucking A. I want some more head.
This is what I look like, chat. I am the Squirtle squad, man. Banging.
Okay.
More head. Yes,
Don't mind
man.
if I do.
You all made the same joke.
Good job, guys.
This is gonna be fun, I hope.
I can't wait to see what you guys are wearing.
Oh, who's the giant bog? What the fuck is this? Who's the bog, man? Carlton's got his moustache. Carlton actually looks like Carlton. Same oil and everything, man. That's crazy. You know. Teddy, come here.
Teddy, your
Quick.
toilet's too big.
Come here, Teddy. Quick. Look, it's your brown, man. Go hang out with him. You haven't seen him in a while. Big brother, man.
Close your mouth.
Wow. Oh dear, that man, he's talking shit.
Press button, please.
We pressed the button.
Come on, Bogman.
Bog Moss, man. Look at him! What?
Has everyone stopped drinking in your country?
The Spice Bag did make an appearance tonight. Look at the size on that toilet. Dude.
I'm in.
Spamming.
I'm in.
A noise, lads.
Where's Shrek, mate?
Give me that. Oh.
That's not what Shrek sounds like. Why are you being chilling?
I really want to set him off now. I want to hear what he says when he set him off.
Oh no! Oh, Shrek! Oh no! That was terrifying, man. Holy! Shrek after you hit. Oh, you! Oh my god! He don't stop coming, mate. Oh! Shrek, please, I can't run! Shrek, please! Shrek, no! Get out my swamp. Oh, chat, are you scared of the Shrek like I am? I'm kind of scared of the Shrek. I'm not gonna lie.
Is that actually?
Oh, it's John Halo, mate! No way! It's the Johnny Halo.
I'm so strong, I rip off the fucking doors off hinges.
Demon's got Gary the Snail with him, mate.
But did you say Teddy? Or did
I'm
you
not
say
gonna laugh.
Red E?
You're so dumb, like. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Shut up! There we are.
Oh, yeah, see.
Oh, Carlton, man.
Don't blame me.
What do you mean? You touched it, mate. Down 2 grand.
Is he blind?
Oh!
Did you just not see?
I did not see that, no.
Vaporeon's better.
Oh, gimme.
Are you trying to shag me?
He died with Vaporeon, mate.
Why is Vaporeon?
He killed Elijah.
My God!
I've seen it all, mate. Do we all have to have the same mods then? What is that schnoz, mate?
Oh, shit.
Where?
Let my teeth, boy. Ah.
Where's the gap in them, man?
Bullies, boy. Bullies.
You need to change those eyebrows, mate. They're not on fleek.
What do you mean they're not on fleek?
They're not on fleek.
They look exactly like my eyebrows.
It's probably
Shit, Doug Dimmadome.
My name is Doug Dimmadome, owner of the Dimsdale Dimmadome.
Doug Dimmadome.
God. What the?
Mess around with your
It's like
audience.
Carlton after 3 hooches, man. That's crazy.
You better stop masturbating over me, boy.
Oh, Shrek, no! Please!
Something else on the floor as well.
You don't stop coming, man.
Fucking big strong arms, man.
Oh, yeah, look at him, man.
Get out of here, you fucking big end bitch.
Daddy, no, it's save you, man.
Just keep us on. Look at him, he ain't shit. He ain't shit. There we go. What? Come here.
Bitch.
Come in. Let me pick him up.
So many fucking enemies, I'm out.
I don't know.
Oh! Jesus. Teddy. What the fuck is going on by here?
Oh. Hey, what's up?
Get the fuck out of here, man.
I think you need to quit
Bro,
out
Teddy,
completely.
take some shit off.
Yeah, but I think it's safe.
You might as well be a fucking mob business at this point, man. You might as well have Shrek on you and all.
Wait, is there a Shrek one?
Bro, you look like a scuffed Patrick Star.
His main is an instrument.
Get out, John.
2, 3, down.
Oh, Shrek! Oh, we fucking up Shrek! Throw him down the hole, boys. Oh!
He's after me!
Oh my god, the gnomes! Shrek, no, please! No, Shrek, please!
What the fuck is going on?
Shrek, man.
Up, down, up, down.
Oh!
Okay, you boys do what you need to do. I'm sorting this money out.
Oh, Shrek, please! Shrek, please! Hello, wait, man! Shrek, please! No, man.
Welcome, mate. Welcome.
He didn't stop
Shrek
coming,
got you
man.
too.
He's like invincible.
He doesn't stop coming.
Like, are you on in the fridge? Stuck in the fridge. That bro, I'm stuck. Oh! Eddie and Demon are still alive and Carlton's having an episode.
Fuck this.
Oh, they're gonna make it.
Why is he chatting shit about himself?
Suddenly watching
Oh, they made it.
No!
Where's the cloud, boy? I keep thinking you're the cloud.
Arigato and whatnot.
Arigato.
Arigato.
Arigato gozaimasu. Fucking Jesus. Oh, I'm out the game. That was a bit risky, man.
So basically, then the whole point was to raid into you to insult you.
Okay.
But I failed because I was saying the other night I went out and I had beer and pizza. And I was talking to this girl and she was like, how was PremierCon? I said it was really good. And she goes, oh yeah, my friend went to that. And I go, yeah, I know we talked about that. That's so cool. And she goes, yeah, you know, she said that it was really fun. She saw all these cool people and that the really handsome Nathxn was there.
Oh. Oh, shit.
And I said, I'm so sorry, what? Are you sure you're talking about, what are we talking about here? And she said, yeah, you know, the guy who like everyone was
fucking
hanging all
bullshit.
over him. And I was like, wait a minute. I know I'm drunk right now, but I need to make sure that we're talking about the same. You're talking about the moderator and my friend Nathxn? She goes, yeah. And I was like, no, this is ridiculous. Nathxn is not Don Juan Flavio Parisi, the sexy god here. And then Dot was like, now come on, man. You know, Nathxn, he's handsome. He's got like a roguish kind of quality to him. I was like,
I hope he said
what?
ghoulish.
I was like, roguish, like he'll steal your money kind of thing? And then I was like beside myself. I was like, I need to message Nathan. Even he would agree with me. And the guy who no one knows, who everyone met the first night, said,
Hey man, everyone kind of agrees Nathan's good looking, okay? Just let it go.
He's never fucking seen me in his life, mate.